Front yard gardening is a beautiful and creative ways to improve your look of your home while also enjoying nature, whether you have a small space or large one. There are many simple and affordable ideas to make your front yard and attractive, welcoming. You can start by planting colorful flowers like marigold, petunias, and roses along pathway or near an entrance. Make it cheerful and eye-catching. Adding a small lawn and around cover plants like clover, creeping them can give a fresh green look that easy and maintain. Use a decorative pots and raised beds to grow herb like mint and basil and coriander, which not only look nice but are also useful in kitchen. Small shrubs and low maintenance bushes like boxwood, lavender can add the shape structure to your garden. Try planting tall plants like a sunflower ornamental and grasses at the back and shorter plant in the front to create a layered look. You can also add gardening items like stone paths, wooden fences, and bird bath to bring charm and personality. Hanging baskets, wall planter, and vertical garden are great option if you have less space, and solar lights along the path or near to plants make the garden and grow at night without increasing your electricity bill. If you're enjoying the sitting outside, place small bench or couple for chair under the tree or beside to garden to relax and enjoy your green space. You can use mulch and gravel in the between the plants, keep birds away and save water. Painting your plant pots in bright color of arranging them in creative pattern and can make your front yard look fun and modern. Seasonal decoration like pumpkins and false fairy lights in water can keep your garden interesting all your year round. Use the recycled materials like old tires and buckets or wooden crates of create a plant that are eco-friendly and cost effective. If you have kids, involve them in the planting watering. It's a great family activity that also teaches to responsibility and love for nature. Even if you live in the city and a rented house, you can do container gardening on your front porch to balcony. The key is choosing the plants that suit your climate and space water that regularly and keep the areas clean and tidy. Front yard gardening, it is not just about plants, it is about creating a happy healthy environment where you and your family can you feel closer to nature. It also adds the value your property and gives good first impressions to visitor. No matter to your experience to level, you can start small and slowly build a front yard garden that reflect in your style and personality. From flower and herbs to trees and shrubs, every element plays a role in making your garden beautiful. Remember, in front yard garden does not have to be perfect. It just has been bring you joy. So take steps in plant seeds and wash your front yard into the peaceful green paradise. So my video part of 2, एक और अच्छा आइडिया ये है कि आप अपने लेयरिंग टेक्निक्स यूज़ करके लंबी बास्केट जैसे सनफ्लावर या नॉर्मली ग्रास के पीछे एक छोटी प्लांट्स उगाएं और लगाएं। इस गार्डन का लुक प्रोफेशनल और कंप्लीट लगेगा। गार्डन को और भी स्टाइलिश बनाने के लिए स्टोन और पाथ वुडन फेंस ये छोटी बर्ड बाथ वगैरह का ऐड कर सकते हैं। अगर स्पेस कम है तो हैंगिंग बास्केट्स, वॉल प्लांटर या वर्टिकल गार्डनिंग का ऑप्शन यूज़ करें। सोलर लाइट्स लगाएं जो रात को बगीचे को रोशन कर दें और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भी ना भरें। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज की ये वीडियो आप लोगों को और पसंद आई होगी, तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, सब्सक्राइब कर दें।